So what are we looking at here? Well, we're looking on a compressor, and we're looking on electric compressor, and we are looking on electric compressor for a Ocean Fisker, and you can see it takes both refrigerants. Now it has an oil part number, and it gives you the quantity of oil in the compressor, probably for a full system charge. And there's very little information on this because that is like an aftermarket manufacturer's part, but it doesn't tell you what type of oil, but it's actually the Fisker Karma PVE oil, not POE, not PAG, not POA, but PVE. A seldom used oil. Hyundai for a short while on a few cars to use PVE. Don't mix it with other oils. It doesn't like moisture. It can turn into a gummy white thick substance, and I've seen guys do that before, and they didn't like the repair bill when it came from their shop, and they had a non-working compressor anymore and plugged up system and expansion valve that had like a thick creamy mayonnaise on the entrance not passing through it. And so another Ocean authorized repair shop that got into repairing Oceans, Fisker Oceans, found out he can get this oil for this compressor, but he has to buy it by the pallet, and it's not cheap. And but I think I'm gonna find out the viscosity and the technical data on it. If this is the same PVE oil that I use in my large commercial heat recovery Panasonic Eco Eye heat recovery units, and my LG also use PVE. If I got the same viscosity, I could get this oil in small quantities from aftermarket third nationwide refrigeration parts distributor vendors in the quart size. So we'll find out more about this because there's little to no information, and if you go look in All Data or any other aftermarket source, you will find zero information about this vehicle. And this is the Fisker Ocean.